The Model 208B BevelMASTER is an ID-mounted portable machine tool that produces reliable, precision weld prep beveling on 2 to 8 inch pipe. The 208B was designed to be easy to use, with a self-centering and squaring mandrel. Adjustable torque keys compensate for wear, removing slop and vibration for smoother cuts, and offers maximum durability, with a rugged housing built from aircraft-quality aluminum. Tactile feed handles provide 2 inches of travel for ample cutting depth, and variable speed control provides outstanding cutting results. Stable and precise tool holders can perform up to 3 simultaneous operations such as facing, beveling, and counterboring. A dependable deadman switch provides increased safety, by immediately stopping machine rotation. The 208B's powerful worm gear drive ensures optimal torque, at any speed. The machine is available with pneumatic, hydraulic, or heavy-duty 110 or 220-volt electric power. The versatile 208B can be configured with a flange-facing kit, an ID tracking kit to correct for out-of-round, or with optional elbow, miter, or sleeve mandrel for cutting thin wall pipe.